things on. It's been a while. What's up guys, Zach here. RealTouchGML, as most of you know, and today I am coming back onto YouTube to be making more tutorials, more projects for you guys. First off, thanks a lot for everybody that stuck around. It's been 1 year since I posted. I couldn't believe it. So I'm just going to make a brief video of what I've been doing, why I've left YouTube for a year, and what's to come for the channel. Alright, so I'm going to shoot it back a year ago, right when I stopped uploading. I knew I needed a break from tutorials. This is when I was doing the Let's Build a Zombie Game series in Java. I knew I needed a break from tutorials. I've been doing it so long, I felt like I wasn't giving enough value. I just thought that the videos could overall be better. So I stopped that series just kind of on a whim, and I started researching new material and creating new different projects that I can then come back and show you guys, especially like LWJGL, really mastering that sort of stuff. So what I did is I went on to, I basically became a freelancer. So I started creating these mini projects for these different companies, just little games and different things like that, to just to learn. And I'm pretty successful in that. I'm really excited to what I'm going to be showing you guys in the future. On top of that, about 6 months ago, I landed a cushion for a job that creates video game course curriculum for kids 7 to 14 years old. So basically what I do is I'd go in, I'd create a full-on curriculum, and then I would teach that class in front of students. So I had a couple students. It was really fun. We did a website design, so I named it Website Design Made Simple, of course. And so we went through HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So it was a 5-day course that I taught. That was really awesome. So I just wanted to make this video very brief, very simple, just letting you guys know that I'm back in the game, ready to create some more tutorials, and I think you guys are going to be really excited for what I put out in the future. And the next video I put out, I've recreated, or it's not completely done yet, but I'm in the works of it, of the Pixelbit Trials game. I don't know if you're aware. If you're a longtime subscriber, of course you'll know what Pixelbit Trials is, but it was my first Java game ever created. So what I did was I took that into GameMaker Studio 2 and am now completely recreating the game, and I'm going to release the source code and maybe a series with it if you guys are interested in that. We also have CodingMadeSimple.com back online, so if you were a previous course owner, then you can go on to Coding Made Simple and review all the courses. I've added a couple cool little lessons in there as well that weren't there before. So that's going to be it. Thank you guys for sticking around. Go and leave a like, go and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.